In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the background color of a Weebly website. Let's get started. Sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to customize. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. In the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. Navigate to the page or section where you want to change the background color. Click on the background or the edge of the section you want to edit, then select Edit Background from the menu that appears. Choose the Change Color option to open the color picker. Select the color you want to use for your background. You can choose a preset color or a custom color that matches your website's branding. Click anywhere outside the editor to apply the changes. Preview your website to make sure the new background color looks the way you want. When you are happy with the result, publish your website to make the changes live. That's how to change the background color of a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.